This is the BMW M3 E46 and it's the perfect M car. Welcome to Ozzy's Drives. Let me please give you a quick walk around. Just look at this thing. Let's be honest here. I'm literally melting looking at it with this carbon black color. The beautiful front headlight design, the beautiful kidneys, the power dome, the openings, the carbon fiber. It is wonderful to look at even 20 years later. Come on, man. This thing is absolutely wonderful to look at. And it has all the perfect proportions. We have the perfect size of brakes, perfect size of wheels, wonderful silhouette, wonderful color, wonderful styling with beautiful cuts and lines. It is just phenomenal to look at. And the best thing is, it's one of the greatest driver's cars ever because it has a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. And come on, just have a look at this rear end. Is there any question? It is wonderful. Let's be honest here. Look at the taillights, the little spoiler, the beautiful sized exhaust tips, perfect size in silver, a little bit of carbon fiber. We even have a PDC here. It's just a wonderful car, really. But hey, the best thing about it is actually the engine. So let's meet at the front. Guys, let me pop the hood and show you what the engine is all about on the M3 E46. They made one of the greatest decisions to create this engine because it is lighter than the one from the E36, 3.2-liter inline-six cylinder engine, revving up to 8,000 RPMs, 343 horsepower and 265 Newton meters of torque. It might not sound as much, but it really is plenty of power for this 1,450 kilograms car. It's a very light machine, 6-speed manual gearbox accelerating from 0 to 100 kph in 5.1 seconds, which is actually faster than the SMG. The SMG took 5.2 seconds, so a win for the manual gearbox. But now, have a listen. All right, friends, if I told you that this is not exciting and not one of my dream cars, I would be a total liar. I couldn't wait to sit in this car to actually drive it. I was so excited. I was literally like a child waiting for a fucking cake, man. Literally, I couldn't wait until I sat into this thing to drive it. It's, you know, the thing is, at one point in my life, I had an 330i CI, same color, right? Club Sport package with a rear spoiler. So this to me is like the end game of that wonderful car. I loved everything about it, how it drove, the feeling I get inside this car, the smell, the nice steering wheel. It's just such a joyful moment to me. I really can't contain myself. I'm so happy sitting inside this car. Literally, I have to close those windows in the back. You know, everything just reminds me of that beautiful time. And I was begging, man. I was begging, I'm telling you. Ooh, I got the wildest of them. Trust me on that one. Don't tell my girl that. But it's just wonderful to sit in. It's just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful car to sit in. And I literally can't contain myself in excitement. Let's turn around here. I found the road. You would think that this is a slow car, but it's actually not. You know, there's a difference you have to make. A car that feels slow and a car that is slow, that two totally different things. This might be slow on numbers, but it feels so fast you wouldn't even believe it. It's so much fun to drive. It's so beautiful on the throttle, especially when you put it into sports mode. Look at that. This is normal mode, right? Pretty aggressive. Look at sport mode. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to throw the shit out of this car. Yay! God damn it, I loved every single moment of that. Look at that, come on. Wow, yeah! I just gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Turn in pretty sharp here. You know what? Let's turn around. Let's do that thing one more time. Woohoo! Yay! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, this is so much fun. You know, when they're turning, you know, you can really control this thing. What a wonderful car this is. Come on, man. Just everything that a man wants. Look at that. Look at that. Shift down, third gear. Mint. It's so cool. It's such a cool car. I forgot about it. I totally forgot about it. I thought, I didn't think about it. Why didn't I think about this car? Why didn't I focus on getting one of these? I'm so dumb. Why didn't I focus on getting one of these? Like literally. It's so much fun. This is incredible. It's literally like, I feel really dumb for not considering to buy this. 343 horsepower, you would think it's not that much, but this car will top out at 290 kph. That's insane. I don't even know how they did it. And especially just when you're sitting inside it and driving comfortably, this is such a comfortable, normal car. It's just normal. It's beautiful to sit in. But then you shift down 2 gears and god damn it, it feels quick. It's perfect. It's perfect. $8,000 RPMs. Yay! Oh yeah! I haven't had so much fun in a long time. God, I love this. How could I forget about one of the greatest M cars ever produced? Come on, what is wrong with me, man? Go in that corner, yes! Yeah. You know, the cornering, the steering wheel feel is wonderful. I can tell you that. It has a beautiful steering wheel feel. It's not going to be the fastest cars around corners because obviously you have to put a new suspension in, you have to put some new tires on and so on to make it feel a little bit modern. But if you do that, KW suspension or a Bilstein suspension down to the ground, fat tires, good wheels, lightweight, and then just adjust it a little bit, you are going to have the most beautiful fun driving this car. And I can tell this is just everything a man desires. Second gear, go! Yeah! Shift down, wham! Pow! Roundabout. Normally my favorite thing. Oh, this car is just making me go nuts. I think it's safe to say that I absolutely love this thing. I absolutely love this thing. So much fun. So much fun. So much fun, friends. I think that's it. There's nothing else to say. I'm just happy I can experience this and drive it. And I will floor it one more time to finish this video off. Both windows open. Bismillah. Oh yeah. Oh, this healed me. This healed me today. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much for watching, friends. God bless you and see you on the next one. Goodbye.